Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Arif. Welcome back our natural studio. So we don't understand native speaker, we don't catch English movie, we don't get cartoon video, English cartoon video, right? Why it's happening to us? Why we don't understand? So in this video I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna explain why we don't understand, why we don't catch this type of video. All the time when we listen native speaker, we don't catch that because we don't know real English. What is the real English? Sometimes native speaker says some real English, natural English, like Gouda, like Nitta, like Hafta. Yes, that's why we don't understand. Ona, that's why we don't understand, because it's real English, it's a natural. We have to learn this kind of natural real English, and we have to practice long time with this kind of real English, natural English. So in this video I'm going to share with you a real English, a natural English, that is need to. What is the meaning of need to? Need to, that means for the Bangladeshi people I will say that I need to go, that means amar jawa proyojon. I need to eat, amar khawa proyojon. So instead of need to, you can use nitta. I need to go, amar jawa proyojon. I need to learn, amar shikha proyojon. I need to talk, amar kotha bola proyojon. I need to look at you, amar tomar dike takano proyojon. I need to make a lot of video, amar onek video banano proyojon. I need to go to Dhaka, amar Dhaka jawa proyojon. I need to go to, that means go to. Go to, I go to school, I go to school. I go to school, I go to school. It's a real English. It's a real. American people, Canadian people say real English, natural English. They all time use natural English. That's why we can't understand. We have to exercise real English. We have to practice real English. We have to say real English. Have to, that means gotta. We gotta practice real English. We gotta say real English all the time. For example, I need to go to Dhaka. I need to go to Chattogram. I need to make video. I need to talk with you. I need to learn English. I need to practice English. I need to make a lot of video. I need to dance. This way you have to make a lot of sentence. You have to practice again and again. And you have to listen natural English. Search on YouTube. Search on Chrome browser and try to listen natural English. What is natural English do you need? Search on YouTube and you can learn easily. When you search, when you listen again and again, then you will understand English movie easily, sports easily, English news easily. So nitta and need to is very important English, natural English. You can use in your daily life every day. When you use in your daily life every day nitta, it will be easy for you and you can catch easily native speaker. So I guess this video was very important for the beginners, for the basic level. And if you want this kind of video again for understanding easily native speaker, for easily watching cartoon video, watching movie and cricket sports, so never forget to put on your valuable comment in comment box. Brother, I need this kind of natural English, this kind of real English again, and I wanna learn all the real English, all the natural English. I will try to upload this kind of video again and again, but you have to comment. When you will comment, I will be very inspired and I will try to make this kind of video again and again. So my dear viewers, if you like this video and if you love me, so make sure to subscribe and share and put your valuable comment in comment box. I will see you very soon with another natural phrases, another natural real English. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.